This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WXL51 listening area of Northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather, in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Luna Pier, or near North Cape, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Huron County, northeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, southeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bellevue, or 15 miles west of Norwalk, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bellevue, Willard, Attica, North Fairfield, and Flood Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Huron, Sandusky, and Seneca. Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seneca County in northwestern Ohio until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bloomville, or near Tiffin, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Tiffin, Fostoria, Green Springs, Bloomville, Attica, Bettsville, Republic, Flat Rock, Bascom, and Kansas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Seneca, Ohio,